Hello. So today we'll see how to enable concurrent jobs to be running at a time. So by default, it is when you install your own GitLab Runner or self-hosted runner, it is set to one in the configuration file, and we'll edit that to include more and more as possible. So by default, it is one. So let's see how we can implement that. For that, I mean, if you have gone through my previous lectures, I have hosted a project runner, which is my self-hosted runner running on my Mac machine with the label current or the tag current. So in the existing YAML, which we have seen in the previous job where we are running three parallel jobs at a time, dev, QA, and prod. Again, we'll just add a simple tag, is the tag of the our self-hosted runner. Self-hosted runner is the important part because it's tagged with current, so it should be exactly the same in the YAML file. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go to the pipeline from the build and just try to rerun that part. Okay, so if you'll see, I'll run all of them in parallel, and it will not run all of them. We'll see that why. If you go to the job, you can see like it is running only one, and once this is done, it will pick up these things and it will get executed. And this is because of the setting which is default in the runner, which is like execute only one concurrent builds or jobs at a time. So you can see this is passed, now it is passing to this one, and once this is again, then it will fix this. So this is the sequence it follows, and we'll fix this to run all of them in parallel. How that can be done in the GitLab runner, we'll see that. So we have a file when we install the GitLab Runner self-hosted agent. So that is config.toml. So we need to edit that part. So we can see here, if you see, this is the line called concurrent. So here it defines like how many jobs can be done in parallel or concurrent at a time. So I'll just run three for now. And these all are the things which we have discussed in the previous lecture. So just I'll just save this. And once you've done that, it is important we need to restart the runner. So for that is GitLab stop. You can see the status. It is stop. Now we will start that. Okay, so again we can see the status if you need. So it is running. So that's how we have increased the number of parallel things which we can run at time. Let's go to the job and I will try to re-trigger this again. So you will see I'll re-trigger all and all of them will run in parallel. So we can see two of them are running now. So we can see all of them has run concurrently and it has passed all of them together. That's how we can increase the number of concurrent whenever we need to run the concurrent jobs on our self-hosted GitLab runner.